crossing the green. And then I have to go over there. So yeah. Damn, he almost fucking wrecked the guy next to me. Oh, fucking god. What the fuck was that? Fuck. That's how people fucking get into accidents. I'm gonna honk him, honk him, honk him, honk him, honk him, honk him.
You already on here?
I had to win.
No, he wasn't turning.
The passion. Damn, he almost fucking died. You saw that? No. Oh, we could have made the left. We couldn't have made it. God, really? Oh, the fucking sucks his dick. Why is that car try turning?
Even though I have all of Kevin Little's album,
Wow, what a bitch. Oh. Yo, fucked up. Dude, come on, it was this turn.
Your friends said I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last?
I think he got the memo. Fuck off, dude. You have no fucking light. No warning at all. Fuck.
Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your
That's a good example of not knowing what lane you want to be in.
toxic.
Oh, you fucking crazy. How people die. Alright, cast your votes now. Is she gonna go straight or is she gonna go right? She went straight. I actually thought she was gonna go right. What the hell happened here? Lady. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, buddy. You're walking as if you... Easy. What the fuck is wrong with you? God, it's so... Boy. Come on. Oh, yeah.
An alternative. Now we started, we can't stop it. I didn't mean to fall in love. Last thing I was
He's gotta back up to do that shit.
72 degrees, zero chance of rain.
We had like 7%.
Whatever state they live in, I guess.
I guess, yeah.
Damn, that card gave no F's. It's like, nah, fuck y'all, I'm going home. She's not always good. She's like, she thought chicken tenders were gonna be great. Fucking were no flavor.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they had like chicken tenders. They had just like regular like fried chicken. They had burgers, fries. But honestly, this shit was fucking.